In this video, I want to talk about how a leader and his employee, the relationship is pretty much like a parent child relationship. And therefore, how you are creating an impact and how are you influencing your employees. That's something you've got to be mindful of. Hi, I'm Asta Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having those deep connects, meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find this video meaningful. So, when you talk about the relationship that you as a leader have with your team, with the employees, uh, it is pretty much like a parent-child relationship. If you have kids, then the kind of relationship that you have with your kids. Now, a characteristic of that relationship is that your children will learn not what you teach them, but what they observe you doing and being. या साउंड्स फेमिलियर आप जैसे हो रहे हैं, आप जो कर रहे हैं, जैसे सिचुएशंस को डील कर रहे हैं, जैसे बिहेव कर रहे हैं, जो एक्शंस ले रहे हैं, वो सब बच्चे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं और वो सीखते हैं, पिक करते हैं, इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं, ना कि वो सब जो आप उनको सिखाते हैं। आप बिठा करके उन्हें सारे लेसन्स दे दीजिए, पर अगर आप बिहेव अलग कर रहे हैं, right? So you're sending out a message. Now, if I draw this analogy to the leadership landscape, the workplace landscape, then the only difference is that here your employees who are coming in, if they are new, they are again like a clean slate, a canvas, because they are in their formative years of their corporate journey, right? So they are going to pick what they're seeing. So as a leader, they will be, whatever you do, however you behave with them, जो आपका conduct है daily, उसके बेसिस पे, उसके आधार पर वो अपने बिलीव्स बना रहे हैं। ओ, लीडर ऐसे होते हैं, ऐसे किया जाना चाहिए, ये तरीका सही है। इट्स ओके टू शाउट, it's okay to blame, it's okay to fire the team, it's okay to not share, it's okay to not be transparent, be open about how you're feeling. In fact, that's how you're supposed to be. So that makes it very, very important that as a leader, you are mindful of how you're conducting yourself. And not only being mindful, once you're aware, you also see what you must do in terms of addressing the beliefs that are limiting you. Because consider, it's not just limiting you, it is also casting an impact on your team. एज अ लीडर आप उन्हें इन्फ्लुएंस करते हो, राइट? वो आपको देख रहे हैं, दे लुक अप टू यू, and that's where they are drawing their influences from. They are drawing their they're making their beliefs about how a leader should be or should not be, right? So that's one part of it. And second, because you are influencing them and it has a certain impact on them, that has an impact on your teams, your departments, the organization's overall function. You keep wondering why this employee is not doing this, और या ये एम्प्लॉई का कंडक्ट सही नहीं है, ये ऐसे क्यों बिहेव करता है, ये ऐसे क्यों काम करता है। तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मार्क्स टीम मेंबर्स पर और एम्प्लॉयज पर तो लगा देते हैं, पर उस वक्त रिफ्लेक्ट करना ज़रूरी है कि एज अ लीडर मैं खुद को कैसे कंडक्ट कर रहा हूँ। वो जो मिरर है वो घुमाना है एक बार, वो जो आप जो सोच रहे हैं या जहाँ ब्लेम कर रहे हैं, जो क्वेश्चन मार्क लगा रहे हैं, वो एक बार अपनी तरफ घुमाकर आपको देखना होगा, राइट? सो जैसा आप अपने आप को कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं वही आपके एम्प्लॉयज देख रहे हैं, पिक भी करेंगे। बट यहाँ ऑफ कोर्स एक एडवांटेज बोलिए या एक डिफरेंस ये है कि दे ऑलरेडी कम विद अ सर्टेन कंडीशनिंग, with a certain belief system, their own belief system of doing things. So, for sure, they will conduct themselves according to that. But yet, there's going to be a clash there, because if it is not in sync with their core values, so if they feel that a certain situation should be addressed in a certain way, they've always seen situations being handled very peacefully, where you sit down, you reflect on what's working, what's not working. And here they see a leader who's just, जो सिर्फ चारों तरफ भाग रहा है, जो सब पे चिल्ला रहा है, जो ब्लेम कर रहा है, ओनरशिप नहीं है, और कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर नहीं है, दैट is where he or she is going to feel overwhelmed. They will feel out of place, not in sync. So both the things, one, they are forming their beliefs. So not by what you're teaching them. आप कितना भी ज्ञान दे लीजिए उन्हें, बिठा करके lessons दे दीजिए, trainings करवा दीजिए, but ultimately वो आपको देख रहे हैं, right? और दूसरी चीज, जहां से वो आ रहे हैं, जो उनका belief system है, if that's not syncing, if the core values somewhere, you know, they hold certain core values, and if what you're doing, the experience that you're giving them is not in sync with what they stand for, then it's going to be a problem. And that's where your employees quit, they leave, and you are left wondering what went wrong, right? I hope you found this meaningful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.